welcome back everybody. Welcome back everybody. How's everything going? Well, it's been a while since I put up a video, but it's been busy. And I finally got something here. In my hot water heater, this is what it was starting to do. You can hear the water running out. I'm draining it. That's how you drain it down there. But generally you got to let some pressure off up here so you can get it to drain through. Well, what it was doing is coming out extremely hot. And generally that tells me that this bottom unit element is probably not working. Well, instead of trying to figure out what's wrong with it, is it the timer, is it the, which one is it? You can buy this whole kit. This is everything. This makes your water heater, all the electronical parts except for the wires, like brand new again almost, because this is everything that goes wrong. It's got the circuit breaker, the timer, the heat, and the two elements. So that's what we're going to do. This is an older one, 50 gallon green, but this works about for any hot water heater. They're all about the same. Like I said, this is like 35 bucks, Home Depot. You can get it other places. So I'm going to bring you along and show you how we're going to fix this and get this hot water heater working again. So I got to let this all drain out. I already here, I can already show you. You get one of these. See that? They call that a wrench, and it sets in there just like that. Now you have to use something. You know, it took a little bit to turn it. You had to clean the crust off. Had this bar. It's kind of hard to do this. This bar goes in here. There you go. Then you can get some leverage and turn it. And I'm going to have to do that to that one down there. So I'll show you when I get this all drained out. Water's probably far enough. I can really start. Let's see. Hopefully no water comes out. I think I got it far enough down. It's hard to do with one hand. I ain't got no room for a stand here, so I'll just unscrew it. There it is. It's loose. There it is. There's your element. It does look a little crusty, don't it? But I don't think this was the problem. I think this is the only one that was working, I think. But, like I said, let's set this right down. Let's put it inside the bucket. There we go. We got a hole there, right? Now we got to take these off. I already turned the power off. Turned it off in the breaker box. I turned the power off, so we need to take these wires all off of here to pull this timer off of there. So we just unscrew that, This is the two wires. Oops, sorry about that. These are the two wires that come from the top that come in and bring the power in. 220. This one here is probably going down. This one you see is going down to that element. So we'll go ahead and I'll pause for a second. I'll take that bottom one off so you can see what's going on there. Okay, here's the bottom one. So this is the thermostat. Temperature here's got to come out. You got to pull this out. That's another element. So we're going to replace that. We're going to replace this. And that. As you see, that's all in the package. So I'll pause for now. We'll wait for this to get drained out. And then I'll bring you back. If I can find where to put my stand, so maybe you can watch this. I can be hands-free, so I'll bring you back. So you feel like you gotta go pee yet? It started getting a little off on me there. There we go. I just got a funnel on it. That's all I had. So I got a tripod, so I'm gonna get you in here. Okay, while that's draining, we're going to go ahead and replace it. And we'll take this. Well, on this, you can put a little gasket there. I'm going to put that on there. Turn it in. Get it going there. Yeah. Tighten her down really good. There. From an inch of its life. See? Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Thinking. There, I think this goes in here. Oh, nope. We gotta go out a little farther. Not too far. I want it to fall out. And then we can get it here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Put that into there. Now you guys, somebody's probably yelling, "You're doing it all wrong," and I probably am. Alright, there's that. Now, we need to pull these loose. Pull that one loose. Pull these up a little bit so they're out of the way. Not too far out of the way, you lose it. And that one. This one. There we go. Okay. Now this thing should slide out. I find my thing here. There it is. Slide that out. There it is. It's out. Now let's slide the new one back in. There. Okay, now we're going to put this one. This one goes here. That one will go there. This one in there. That one there. This one goes in here. And then, oops, trying to pop out on me. Whoa. All right. Gotta push this down. Make sure it gets squashed out. There, that worked. All right. Then, let's put this one in here. Tighten it down. This is the red one. There we go. Okay, got one more here. Should have brought my needle nose pliers. I should have. Yep, I should have. Oh, this thing's got to go down. Yeah, this is. Okay, we got to get this thing hooked in here. It ain't wanting to do it. So let's see if I can get around here. They made that one a little short. Whoever built this thing back in the day made it a little short there. Yeah, but it worked. All right, let's keep all these away from metal. You know, all that from touching. Okay, there we go. Now let's turn our attention to this one. And I don't know if we're both getting in there or not. Let me draw it down here. Okay. I think we're at the end of our water. But we're going to pull this off and see, because it'll let some of the... Now this thing... There we go. Got that one pulled off. One pulled off. Out of the way, out of the way, get out of the way. Okay, whoops. Alright, open you guys. Alright, here we go. Let's see. A little crusty cruddy on there. Get stuff out of the way. There we go. There we go. Now let's... Nope. Gotta keep the pressure on. There it is. Might be a little bit more water coming out. Come on, stay out of my way. I need to pull those out of the way. I should have done that anyway. Okay. Whoop. Oops. Wasn't totally all the way down. Come on, get back in. Dadgummit. See, I should have done there. Shouldn't have done that. Thought all the water was out. I don't want to get it all inside here. Alright, gotta pause a little bit. Alright. Well, it got down past it. And that rod don't look too bad. The top one does look a little worse, but alright, let's go to replacing this one. Let's get the element. Put this element in. Simple as just put her in there and turning it in. There you go. Goes in there pretty easy. wrench here. I get it hand tight as hard as you can. Get the rod here. Put some torque on her so she don't leak. Oh, there it is, one. Come on. There it is. All right. Now, let's get these wires hooked up. Back them out first. Not too far. Okay, and then put that wire in there. Okay, right in there. Like that. Make sure it's good and tight. There we go. And we'll do the same thing. I should have got my lamp. Headlamp. There it is. Alright. Good and secure. Now we gotta pull these two off. That one off. Pull that one off. Just pop these up to release that. It's just some little clips in there. There it is. Comes right out. Okay. Let's put those clips back in. Like that, and then we just reattach it. Just like, okay, I gotta. That one's already in, so we're gonna go with that. This one needs to go in, but I gotta. There. Now let's tighten it up. Don't you hate it when you go the wrong way? All right, there she is. It's in there tight. Make sure these wires ain't touching nothing or it'll sell. I tried to keep them off of everything. There we go. All right, now let's turn this off. We're done draining. There are different ways too. Okay. All right. Now we got all that taken care of. This is the wrong one. Where's my... This here goes on there to protect stuff so nothing gets accidentally, I think it goes this way. Okay, I'm not sure how it goes. Maybe it goes this way. Alright, that protects those wires from getting hit. It's a little crooked. I have to see why that is. Alright, but I really don't want to put that in yet because I'm going to check for leaks. So, now I can turn the water back on and let's see. There we go. Now, I got this one all in here. Not the prettiest, right? Now what I did is, I have this one. I got this. It's trying to. You see, it's dripping a little bit. I got this loose. This is the hot side. And I probably, yeah. So this will be on top. Because I got to get the air out of the system. Because there's going to be a lot of air for filling up this water. It's going to take a while to fill up too. So we're going to let all that out. Then I'm going to have to clean. Then I'm going to have to pull that off. Clean that up because it's going to push out a lot of crap. So I'm going to have to do this air somewhere. We're going to have to get the air out somewhere else here. So, okay, let me pause and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're letting all the air out. It's coming out. It's going to get all over the place. But I also have this up here. That's letting a lot of air out too. Because we're going to have a lot of air. We got 50 gallons of air. And it's going to take a while to fill it up. We don't have the pressure like this is on a well. It's not like city pressure. So it's going to take a while. I'll just have to catch that. So I'll bring it back when it gets there. This is going to be a little bit. Alrighty. Well, got the power back on. And we'll see if she's working. So make sure these are tight. I'm leaving the covers off of this. Let's wipe up some of my messy hands. So there we go. So there it is, replacing everything. This is all electronics on, except for the wire. So you can if your tank is in good shape, which this one is, you can see how I got it up off the floor. That helps a lot, keeps it from rusting. Just 35 bucks, you could have it fixed instead of paying 500 or 700 bucks for a whole new water heater. All right, hey, I hope this helps somebody. I know this is not textbook way you should be doing things, but hey, if you're out there trying to do it yourself, hopefully this helps you. Take care. Thanks for watching.